Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Poco F4 GT, and I'll show you how the face unlock test on this device. So I set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago here, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, the face unlock here works so fast. We can unlock the device just less than 1 second. I just think that's so good result for the face unlock, so I suggest you to try the unlock method on our Poco device here, but don't forget that the face unlock less secure than PIN codes or passcodes, so be careful with that. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.